So we will find other means. These are all methods na pwede magbago, but we will not change the principles of serving the Lord. Same principles from the Word of God. Yung methods, kapamaraanan, pwede magbago-bago.
Yun na naman dyan.
Ipakain yung buto-buto, di ba? Sa mga wala nang ipin. Hindi mo rin pwede, bagamat pwede yung gatas sa mga may edad na, pero hindi sasapat ang gatas.
Naupo ako sa
Ang gatas, hindi ang buto-buto, hindi mo pwede ipakain sa bata. Matataktan sila. Gatas lang talaga para sa
I see Johnny Boy, color pink head. Johnny Boy.
There. Welcome. Welcome to Gaitai. To Gaitai.
Hi, Brad.
Table. You want to go table?
You can sit down there. You want? No?
Hello there. Okie dokie.
What are you saying?
Okie dokie.
Yes, okay, my food. Pork. Yan.
Hello. We're roaming around. Where we're going, nobody knows. It's a mystery tour.
Mystery talk.
We're going downhill now. There's something here up the step. Sea view, I think, Kenty, possible.
Sea view. Sakit pa?
ang leg.
Sakit ang leg. Hinay lang na ano yan, na pamaulan. Kaya sa pagtulong mo muna. Sabi kasi nakita kita na. Oo. Johnny Boy? Ano pa kayo, Pete?
Before you get to the water, there's something there.
Oo.
I'll tell you, to get to there, Kent, take you a long, long time.
One more, oh. Solo nyo. Sige,
Then, this is the way to go, isn't it? Oh, another one there.
Hi.
Hello there. What's your name? Very beautiful.
Amy.
Amy?
Mm-mm.
That's a nice name. Are you Filipino?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
Where are you from?
I'm Chinese.
Chinese? Have you? Are you, I mean? Oh.
Mm.
Chinese but living in Philippines.
Yes.
Very good.
Very good. Let's go.
I'm Japanese, I am.
Yeah, you're Japanese.
Yeah, so
Good.
we're next door neighbour,
Is
Japan.
this your house?
This is my house. It's very nice. It don't
Yeah.
look very good outside, but inside it just looked like condo
Really?
inside. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Look very nice. Very big house.
Mm-hmm.
I buy it for 50 peso.
Very good.
Yeah. Very good deal, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And now I checked today the value. I buy yesterday. I checked the value today.
Mm-hmm.
10.1 million.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
That's good investment for 50 peso, I think. Very good. What's the name of that plant? Because it's Chinese plant. You should
What's
know.
that? What one?
What is it? It's Chinese.
What's the name? Apa? Apa? Baba na! Na-defer lang ang silangan.
Courage only. Keep it off.
Johnny Boy pose. Hindi bawal.
Wala. Sige, walk. Kailan kami harap sa'yo?
Okay na po. Ikot kayo.
Wala. Harap. Harap. Harap pa. Ay, please. Breakfast.
My love, where are you?
I'm here, thank you.
What's the name of this place?
Disneyland.
You can see there, very nice oh.
Kasama kami sunod.
I'm glad we're going.
Okay, it's hap.